I'm showing you how to tape your stick. So, yeah. You need your tape and your stick, of course. Of course your stick. And of course the tape. Or else you wouldn't be able to do it. So you want to have a little tape. And by the way, this is like Govichuk. So you just want to start about right here. See that? I think you do. Just keep wrapping around. Oh, that looks gross. Yeah. So on. It's going to take a couple minutes to finish the whole vid. Like to take slappers and wrist shots, you focus on the front. If you like backhands, you focus on the back. And if you like both, you focus on both. The back looks better than this. So, and you guys out there that don't have the curved blade, it's easier for you to tape your stick. Keep taping. People have trouble on the blade, on the toe. And I'll show you how to fix that. I don't want any people to have trouble taping their stick. Okay, so you get about here. There's going to be extras. So you just tape over. Just keep going. Sick. I'm such a weirdo. Once you get there, okay, you get your tape, cut it, you overlap it. There's going to be leftovers. There might. Cut it as close as you can to the blade. Oh, I bet scissors, come on. But we'll have to deal with it. Crap. We'll fix that later. So now, you're going to get a little tape. And cut it. Then, put it on the till. If you want, you can wrap it around, but this is my style. Keep it there. Okay? Now you get the other side. You do the other side. If you want to make it have extra protection, cut more. Keep doing it as much as you want. The more you put, the better. If you don't want to waste tape, don't. Tape isn't that much money. So it doesn't matter. But some of you out there, you care. And I understand. My mom doesn't want me to tape my stick all the time. There we go. See, there's going to be leftovers. Pinch them. The better you pinch, the better taping is going to be. See those leftovers? Just cut them off. Crap. Worst scissors ever, I tell you, worst. Today's a pretty good day for me because I'm a first degree black belt, and to get your second degree takes 12 levels. I'm getting my first level today. It's pretty exciting. I have to go in like 2 hours. There we go. Go Chuck, if you look at this video, you subscribe. Tell me if you watch this. Any NHL player. I don't think you'll need to watch this, but you know what I might do? I tape around this stick. Tape around. That'd be pretty cool. Might do it. Yeah, just like, comment, subscribe.